Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change My Eyes Only password on Snapchat. So basically, My Eyes Only password on Snapchat is a place where you can put specific snaps that can be accessed only with a password. I'll show you what I mean. So once you're in Snapchat, you're going to scroll up, and as you can see, here are all the snaps that you want to save. Like, let's say I want to take a snap right now, okay, and I'll save it, right now. Save it to memories, and then you can actually change it, save it to memories or into camera roll. I'll pick both, okay. Now, if I scroll up, as you can see my own snap, that I want. Now, My Eyes Only, if you scroll into the right multiple times, you're going to find something called My Eyes Only, which you can actually, once you set it up, let's say I want to set it up right now, which is basically you're going to tell you the code. And my code, as you can see over here, is once I click on and put the code, I'm going to access the snaps that I added. Now, let's say I forgot the snaps that, and let's say I added this to My Eyes Only, which I'm going to put it hide, and let's say I forgot my password. What do I do? So actually, the only way you can do it is that once you're in My Eyes, you're going to click on once let me eyes say I'm going to put it multiple times, and I'm not going to, and I don't remember it at all. Well, basically, if you click on options and you want to change the passcode, you're not going to be able to it because it's going to tell you that you need to put your passcode that you already have, again, so you can change it. Well, we don't have that. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the options and you're going to click on forgot password. Okay, and once you click on forget password, you're going to put your own password, okay? And when you put it, it's going to tell you that you can change your My Eyes Only, but everything that is in your My Eyes Only is going to be deleted. So that's the unfortunate part of it. So once you change it, remember it really well, or actually save it. And this is how you can change your My Eyes Only password on Snapchat. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.